Unbeknownst to the homeowners, someone had come on our property and taken pictures of our home.
It's a 171-page document you need to read. It was all black homes, and I say, they have redlined our neighborhood.
Everybody has always maintained their homes, did the best that they could to maintain their homes. So it was really upsetting.
And transparency is not happening here.
I don't even get a phone call, I don't get a letter, and the next thing I know, my property is just listed as blighted.
It's going to destroy this community. I think that's what it was intended to do.
It's all about the money.
They would give us pennies and they would make millions off of it.
Essentially erase the history that this city was built on.
I never thought that I would see the end of this community.
If they get what they want, I imagine it would destroy us.
That's a problem. That is absolutely a problem, and it's unacceptable.
We're not giving in, we're not giving up.
We're not gonna move, and we're not for sale.
A beachside town in Mississippi would like to see a historic black neighborhood replaced with commercial development catering to tourists. State law says you can't take people's homes to give to developers, but the town is trying to get around the law by declaring without any basis that the neighborhood is a slum or blighted.
When we were informed or found out about the urban renewal development and what the city of Ocean Springs had planned, we were angry, we were upset, and we were hurt.
The blight designations provide the legal basis for the redevelopment plan. Under Mississippi law, the property owners only had 10 days to challenge the designations. But due to the town's secretive process, home and business owners missed the deadline and instead found out their properties had been labeled blighted months after it happened. Sam Washington is the trustee of a church that is the cornerstone of the neighborhood.
We have members who are going through, the fear of losing their properties. So if the church don't stand up for what's right, then, who else will they be able to look to?
Ocean Springs is across the bay from the glitzy casinos and hotels of Biloxi. After Hurricane Katrina, bars, shops, and restaurants opened in Ocean Springs downtown. Now, modest homes, some in the same family for a century, are just blocks away from prime real estate.
Some of these homes are 80+ years old, and they have passed down from generation to generation. For someone to come in and just take, no. We're gonna fight. Until our last breath, we're gonna fight.
From the moment I found out about it, I jumped in because I was just bowled over. And I was really, really impressed with the organizational skills of the community. And it shows you how threatened the community feels and how passionate they are about fighting against this.
We should not be moved. It's a statement. And we wanted to make a statement that regardless of what the cost, what is the end goal behind this, we're not gonna move.
We can move forward together and try to figure out a solution, or we don't.
After a fiery council meeting on October 2nd, the city backed down from passing the redevelopment plan. But it hasn't removed the bogus blight designations. These designations authorize eminent domain and never expire. Years from now, another mayor and city council could get the process rolling again and take the properties. No owner in the area is safe as long as that slum or blight label remains.
If they get what they want, I imagine it would just be what they want it to be. We would have to move. And, it's hard to start over at some of our ages.
And I don't want to sell my house in my lifetime. But even if I wanted to, who would be interested in purchasing a property under the cloud of the urban renewal plan?
This property belongs to us. It does not belong to the city of Ocean Springs. It does not belong to the government. This is ours.
The government cannot secretly steal your property rights, which is why the Institute for Justice is now suing on behalf of property owners. If beloved and well-maintained homes in Ocean Springs are not safe, then nobody's property is safe.
If they can move us out and take our homes, what's to stop them from going up further and said, okay, we want yours too? What's to stop them from doing that?